Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about 5 bridge or point and shoot cameras that you can buy to start with bird photography. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today I'm going to talk about 5 bridge or point and shoot cameras that you can use for photography. They may not be able to match a DSLR with the super telephoto zoom lens, but it's good enough. Having a super telephoto lens means that you will have to carry that heavy lens all through the long walking tour, and birding trips involve huge walking in a forest area. So point and shoot cameras can be lightweight, cost effective, and they can also give you some sharp and super zoom images. So let's see which are the best cameras. The Nikon Coolpix P1000 is, I guess, the world's longest zoom bridge camera with its 125x optical zoom that has a focal length range of 24 to 3000 mm in 35 mm terms. So if you want such high focal length in your point and shoot camera, a P1000 may be your only choice. It also comes with RAW support, an electronic viewfinder, and a 4K video recording capacity. It also comes at a price. It is priced at around 63,950 rupees in Amazon. If you are looking for a cheaper version of the P1000, the P900 is priced at around 29,279 rupees. It may not have RAW support and 4K video recording capacity of the P1000, but P900 has some great features like a 16 megapixel image sensor, a super cool manual mode, and 83x optical zoom. I have personally seen many bird photographers use this camera and it works great. The Sony Cybershot DSC-HX400V is a premium super zoom camera that features 50x optical zoom, 20 megapixel image sensor, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, and 1920 by 1080 video recording capacity. The features of this camera that can support bird photography include a 10 fps continuous shooting, ISO range of 100 to 12,800, high-speed autofocusing, and a super cool manual mode. Price on Amazon is around 28,990 rupees. After the Nikon P1000 and P900, the Panasonic FZ8II may seem pretty ordinary, but it is also worth considering. It features 60x optical zoom, 18 megapixel image sensor, 4K video recording capacity, and a touch-enabled LCD display. Now, this camera has a unique post-focus mode that allows me to set the focus point after the picture has been taken. And it also has a 4K photo mode that really helps if you wanna click fast-moving subjects. Price on Amazon is 41,999 rupees. The Canon PowerShot SX540HS sports a 50x optical zoom that can be further extended to 100x with Canon Zoom Plus technology. Priced at around 19,514 rupees, this can be your budget-friendly birding companion. So guys, these are the 5 best bridge cameras for bird photography according to me. And if you found this video to be useful, guys, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which cameras you think are best for bird photography. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous camera tutorial. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel.